Hello, friends and followers. It is Devon from the Sea Turtle Hospital at the University of Florida's Whitney lab. We'll give it a couple minutes to see who pops on with us. We got some exciting things going on today. It's a beautiful day in St. Augustine, a little chilly compared to yesterday. We have one person on with us, two people on with us. We're going to wait for a couple more people. We're here today with Dr. Burkhalter again, and we are working on one of our patients, Jacques Cousteau. You guys learned a little bit about Jacques yesterday. We had him come in back on April 28th, and this animal came in from New Smyrna Beach. He was the 38th patient that came through our doors this year. So we've had Jacques with us for a couple of weeks now. And we have Dr. Burkhalter in today. See, hi Haley. All right. So we have Jacques and Dr. Burkhalter and Jessica. Hello, Dr. B. You want to tell us a little bit about what we're doing today?
Hey, everybody. So today we are doing a coelomic on Jacques, which is basically the turtle version of a laparoscope. So we have a camera, and we are inside his or her body cavity. And we're able to look around and evaluate all of the organs, the heart and the liver, kidneys, lung, intestines, to just make sure that everything is healthy. And the main purpose of it, because Jacques has fibropapilloma tumors, is we're looking for any evidence of internal tumors on the organs, because we know that unfortunately we can't treat those. So we are inside Jacques' body cavity right now, and just looking around. On the screen there, you can actually see part of the liver, and they have all the same organs that we do. Their body works the same way. Just down on the bottom of the screen is the gallbladder, so that's where the bile is that helps to digest the food that they eat. And coming in on the left-hand side, the kind of bubbly looking thing, that's actually the surface of the lung. So that's all the little bubbles or tiny spaces where the air fills up so that you can get his oxygen.
Hi, Heidi. Hi, Douglas.
So we're just following the lung. Here's the back of the lung, so that's the end of it. And he's sedated, so he's not breathing as frequently as he normally would, but when he takes a breath, you can actually see that blow up like a balloon, and then when he exhales, it collapses back down like that. So we may get to see that as we're in here. Over here is intestines, so that's a group of small intestines and some large intestine kind of bunched up, and all the stripes on it are the blood vessels that help to keep it alive and healthy. And here, kind of the tannish color in the middle, the little patches, are the pancreas. So those are all little pieces of the pancreas, which is what secretes the enzymes to help him digest his food. So we just look around at all the intestines. It's nice, healthy pink color. I don't see any wounds or inflammation. Certainly no areas of obstruction or dilation, so that's all good.
So Jacques is sedated, and you can see he or she is resting really comfortably with Jessica holding and Dr. Burkhalter doing her procedure. So a really fun thing for staff and followers and friends is when Dr. Burkhalter does this procedure on these animals, sometimes we get a glimpse of the gonads, so that we can actually find out if this animal is a male or a female. A fun fact about our turtle friends is their sex is actually determined by the temperature. So typically warmer temperatures will have more female, and cooler temperatures will have more male. So a good way to know that is girls are really hot and boys are really cool. So we're going to do a little poll today to see if it looks like Dr. Burkhalter might be in a good spot that we can actually see if it's a boy or girl. So let's give us some thumbs up if you think it's a boy and some hearts if you think it's a girl. We've already did a poll from our staff that we have over here. So far we have female running. We have 5 for female and 3 for male. So if you guys want to give us some thumbs up for male or hearts for female. And what we're going to do today after we do the rest of our scope is we're actually going to get that tumor off the top of Jacques' head. Hello for people that are just joining us. We have Dr. Burkhalter here with our patient Jacques Cousteau. And we're doing a scope. So we're looking for checking out all the internal organs on this animal, making sure we have no internal paps. But like I said, a fun thing is that we actually sometimes get a glimpse of those gonads so that we could see if it's a male or a female. So we're going to take a quick Facebook poll. So let's give me some thumbs up if you think it's a boy and some hearts if you think it's a girl. And again, our staff already did a poll. So we have 5 for female and 3 for male. As you can see, we have a lot of females. Delta, Edward Scissorhands, and Eugenie Clark so far have been female. I think that's all we're going to get. All right. So, we're ready. It's a girl. So these right here are actually the egg follicles. And as this animal becomes mature, those will be where the egg yolks are. Oh, there we go. So for everybody that guessed with our hearts, you are correct. We have another girl. All right. Jacques Cousteau, the little girl. So like I said, this afternoon, what we are going to do... Hi, Liam. Liam is one of our researchers. He is not here with us. He's on the other side of the pond. Let's see if I can zoom in. So there is Jacques Cousteau, the little girl. And that tumor is actually the only tumor that this animal has, which isn't usually normal. So what we're going to do this afternoon is Dr. Burkhalter is going to do surgery to remove that tumor. And we'll get you some good before and after pictures. This animal was named by our amazing team of volunteers that we miss desperately here. They've been unfortunately off-site since March 13th. And they did a vote to see if it was a vote to name it. And they named it Jacques Cousteau because Jacques Cousteau wore a famous red knitted hat. So thanks for tuning in. We appreciate all the support and the following. You guys got a bonus day this week, but definitely check every Wednesday when we do Wellness Wednesday with Dr. Burkhalter and our awesome crew of turtles. We look forward to seeing you guys next Wednesday.